Sitting in who's chair for 72 hours because I know not you and most definitely not me, sis. DB is here, done did it for us. Now this wig is very much giving fresh tight braids straight from the salon chair, sis. Imagine your scalp skin, pure head top pores on a braided wig. Now that's what you call extremely natural. Now we could get creative and try different styles. The same with the braids that will be on your natural hair. Now the full lace allows you to melt around the perimeter of the head, lift up that hair in the back, do a little bun, straight scalp, okay? Now here's an idea. If you're really nice, you could melt down the entire wig to a ball cap. Now that's some extra security right there, okay? Now from root to tip, the parting spaces in the braids are so crisp. It doesn't get any better than this. I mean, sis, what more could you ask for? This unit is by DBS Hair, okay? Now, if you have never heard of them, definitely check them out. They have so many braided units, okay? Different styles, braids, all that. They are nice with it, okay? Mad cute. Now, this specific unit is called Carrie. So make sure you use my code, which is CBHM, to save $20 off your order. You know we like to save a little coin when we can. Now, the code gonna expire eventually. So make sure you take advantage and get yourself a deal while you can, sis. Because I already know you're gonna want this wig when you finish watching this video. Now, again, the unit is called Carrie. This is a knotless full lace wig and 40 inches, and the color is a 2 blend 30. Now it comes with baby hairs. The cap size is a large, and you also see we have combs, an elastic band, and some adjustable straps, okay? Now this is a custom unit, so you do have some options to switch some things around as far as specification goes on the website, and the processing time would be 3 weeks from order. But they do have some options that's ready to ship if you are impatient and you want your stuff immediately, that aren't customizable, that are already made and ready to go. And that's a 3 to 4 working days delivery time, okay? So you got options, sis. The hair looks absolutely amazing, directly on my head, no tinting, no manipulation, so natural, so pretty, okay? Now, first off, I wanted to make sure that the unit was covering my bald cap, so I had to, get that right, because once you melt, it ain't no going back. And then the ears was the second thing. Now, I noticed that the braids on both sides was coming over my ears, and just a coincidence as well, the elastic band happened to be sitting on my ear as well. So I just went in and I cut the braid off on both sides and the elastic band, actually, because it wasn't too comfortable, and I just, I needed to have some comfort because I did plan on wearing this unit for a couple days or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, that is very important to make sure that it fits around your ears first, so that way everything else will fall into place. Now go in with a brow razor to cut off my lace because I think it looks more natural instead of a straight across cut with scissors. So that's what you see me doing right here, and I like to get as close to the hairline as I possibly could. Now, a tip with tinting your lace, I went in with my regular face foundation, liquid, and I applied it throughout the entire unit. Now, you have to make sure, sis, if you're going to wear makeup, make sure that your foundation actually matches your face, your skin, because if you're going to be wearing this wig with or without makeup, you want it to match all the time. So your foundation needs to be exactly what the color of your skin is, okay? And then I went in and added some powder through that part that I couldn't get from up under the unit, okay? Now, as far as melting this lace, I went in with 2 coats of the Got To Be glue gel. So I put some on, I dried it with the blow dryer, got a little tacky, and then I repeated that step. After I repeated that step, I then proceeded to melting this lace down. Now, I used my rat tail comb to firmly press the lace in, okay? Pressing it in to make sure that it wasn't going anywhere. Now, I know y'all see me with the top bun, and that is because the hair definitely has some weight on it. So when it was down and I was trying to melt it, it was kind of pulling the hair back up off my head. So do keep in mind that, ooh, baby, we got some weight up on this hair, okay? It don't feel cheap, don't feel flimsy. We have some weight on these braids. It feels like braids from the salon, for real, okay? Okay, now I'm going in with the same gel and add a little bit to the front of the lace in front of that baby hair braid that they got going on. But that part was really pointless because after I take out that braid to do my baby hairs, I noticed I'm going to have to melt it down later on again. But you could skip that step if you want. So you know what I mean, guy, you know what I mean? It's up to you. Anyways, when it comes to the baby hairs, I did notice that there were some gray hairs up in there. So quite a few pieces, but it was all good because I planned to squeeze it anyway to thin this out. So I just thinned it out. And while I was thinning it, I went ahead and plucked those gray hairs right up out of there as well. So I didn't have any problem with that. Now, I did go in with this mousse just to kind of shape my baby hairs, not to really hold it, because the braids will glide all up on your baby hairs and it will move that baby and sucker all over the place. So I did go in with some Got To Be Blue gel after to actually make sure that they stayed still and that the braids wasn't going to shift it around, if you get my point. Now, this is what it looks like without makeup. And as you can see, that lace matches my skin because my foundation color is correct. And then it actually looks exactly the same with the makeup. So that's why I said make sure your foundation matches your skin, y'all. Now, the hair actually smells really good straight out of the pack. So I don't know if it was a product they put on, if they pumped a little perfume, I don't know. But it smells really, really good. Like, it smells really nice. And also the fit on the unit was like absolutely perfect. I'm a 22.5 circumference size head, and I crisscrossed the back of mine because I know I have short hair. I couldn't put the comb in there, and because I cut out the elastic band, that was the best I could do. I did want to melt this unit around the perimeter, but I couldn't see back there and I was going to need some help, so I didn't do that. But all in all, the unit came out gorgeous. As you can see, it's flowing, it's long, it's so neat from root to tip. It's just a beautiful piece of art. They did an amazing job prepping and getting this unit ready for sis, because she is all that and then some. Like, I really, really do like this unit, y'all. This is great. This looks so natural. No more sitting in a chair for all those hours getting your hair tugged on. Like, that's crazy. This is it, okay? Now, again, the direct links is going to be in the description box. And again, the code is CBHM, and this is the Carrie unit. All that information will be down there, so you go ahead and check it out, sis, see for yourself. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Tell me, is this a wig that you thinking you about to get or what? Because I know she is that, and she is beyond, she passed my butt, and I'm 5'4". I'm sure 40 inch. But I'm going to see y'all in another video. I'll holla. Take it in, take it in.